Today we start with the heterotrophic nutrition. What is heterotrophic nutrition? It is a mode of nutrition in which organism depend on other organism for food. All the non-green plant, that is organism who are not having chlorophyll, they undergo heterotrophic mode of nutrition because we cannot prepare food by ourselves. So we are called as consumers because we depend upon other organisms for food. There are three types of heterotrophic mode of nutrition in non-green plants. They are saprotrophic, parasitic, and symbiotic. In saprotrophic mode of nutrition, organisms depend on dead and decaying matter. For example, molds and mushroom. These organisms always live on dead organic matter. The next one is parasitic mode of nutrition, in which organisms depend on other living organism. Example, cascata. The third mode of nutrition is symbiotic. In this type of nutrition, the two organisms live together for mutual benefit. Example, rhizobium, lichen, etc. In lichen, two organisms like algae and fungi, they live together. Algae undergo autotrophic mode of nutrition, that is, it has chlorophyll, so they prepare its food by itself. Whereas fungi depend upon this algae. Fungi provide water and nutrition for algae to prepare the photosynthesis process. Likewise, they both mutually help each other. Such mode of nutrition is called symbiotic. The same manner, rhizobium bacteria. It lives in leguminous plant, root of the leguminous plant. The plant gives shelter for this rhizobium bacteria, whereas rhizobium gives nitrate compound to plants. How do saprophytes get food from the dead and organic matter? Saprophytes secrete digestive juice on the dead and organic matter. This juice converts the dead matter into simple soluble forms, and this organism absorbs those digested food. That is the reason saprotrophs are called decomposers. Saprophytes can be called as saprobionts. This can be live on or grow on organic matters like cloth, pickle, jam, bread, etc. This activity shows the growth of saprophyte bread mold on bread. An organism which live on other organism for food is called host. Such mode of nutrition in which organism take food from other living organism is called parasitic mode of nutrition. There are two types of parasitic plants. One is total parasites, the other is partial parasites. In total parasite, the plants which completely depend on the other host plant. Example, cascata. In partial parasites, the plants which partially depend upon other host plants. Example, mistletoe, sandalwood. What are plant pathogens? They are organisms which causes disease to other organisms. Examples are rust, smuts.